And then what you do is get your rad on. Always make sure you screw that fully down. Yeah. All the way down, both sides, all the way down, all the way down. So we're on, tighten your knot up. That'll stop it from ripping. Next thing, level. Make sure you bang on, Trevor. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Mark your brackets. That topping's already been done. Unscrew it back off. Up. Red plugs, because you always screw in the centre of it. Gonna be good. Then we clean his marks off. Beautiful. Silicone in the hole, and just like a blobble there, blobble there, blobble there, blobble there. Then we get the screws. Provided with a rad. Because we've screwed them in the centre, all we know is this bracket has to go in centre. Beautiful. Get on to the next. This is live. This is live. This is surgery. My mate's slowing me down because she's not. When I turn round, my hand should be there. Now that'll be his second wife. Always pestered him at work, you know what I mean? She don't know what she's doing.
His first wife don't know.
Because first wife don't know. Oh, nice. Nice. Get a rad on it. It's just beautiful. It's just so easy. No, when life's just so easy.
I don't know how they get you for money.
Yeah, I don't know how they get me for money. This lady don't know how she got me for money. My new DeWalt screwdriver set, which I just had to buy, which I never buy again because it just robbed me. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Make sure you clean your cap off. Just remember, you can be as fast as you want, but if the finishing touch doesn't look good, it is not good. Oh, nice. There you go. Get that on there, tighten it up. I bet these movers aren't going to move wide enough. Oh yes they are. Don't tighten that too tight. Don't tighten this too tight. And it will be like a job in town. Just need to get this one a little bit over. Get that on there. There's always one that tries to test you, but when you want your fittings tight, you want them tight, you know what I mean? You don't want it slack because you're going to cover it and you're going to see it. So the more you see it, the less it wants to be. That's it, baby. That's it. Just a little tweak. Always make sure, see this chrome stuff, you never want to scratch it. If you're unsure, put some tape on it or something like that. And there we go. One rod, beautifully fit. Try the wall up, try the floor off. Give it a little polish. Right, go top boiler up while I top this up and put these brackets on. Caps on. That's it, it's full. Bar it up to a bar. And that's it. Radon, less than 10 minutes live speaking to you lot. Bish bash bosh. Give it another little polish.
Yeah, it's bang on middle.
Bang on middle, bar.
Yeah.
Nice, I think that's quite nice that rad just for this room. And there we go. One beautiful radiator. chrome, no pipes on shore. Valves sleek, can't knock them when you're walking in and out of shower. Put some chrome tape on that now. Chrome caps. Bish bash boss, job done. Don't forget to like, share and follow.